Welcome everyone. Question on polymer. Monomers of butyl rubber are choices are A. 1,3-butadiene and styrene, B. Isobutylene and isoprene, C. 1,3-butadiene and isoprene, D. Isobutylene and styrene. Answer is B. Isobutylene and isoprene. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is isobutylene and this is isoprene. They react to form butyl rubber. Thank you for watching this video.